was the top news headlines. 24-hour More Ban hits live. Indefinite Imphal More road underway. Manipur cops suspended for spreading rumors about coronavirus. And Delhi records its first death due to coronavirus, second casualty in India. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Normal life in More town was affected today due to a 24-hour ban call given by Kuki civil society groups to condemn yesterday's incident. According to our correspondent, several Kuki social organizations like HTC, KSO, KWU and HR, MYC and Kuki Chief Association More Block have demanded the government to terminate all commando personnel who were involved in the incident. Deputy Commissioner, Tengnopal District, Superintendent of Police, Tengnopal and other top police officials were monitoring the law and order situation in the town, besides taking up additional security measures to prevent any untoward incident. Tengnopal District Administration has imposed CRPC Section 144 for 1 month in More in view of the law and order situation in the town bordering Myanmar, officials said. Some people were injured during a violent incident that took place yesterday in front of More Hospital. Reports said the incident occurred after a team of More commando near More integrated checkpost stopped 2 persons coming in a two-wheeler for frisking and checking. Meanwhile, Superintendent of Police, Narcotics and Affairs of Border W. Basu Singh clarified that in pursuance of Home Department Government of Manipur decision to seal borders gates along Indo-Myanmar, a team of More commando was posted near Sijang village for intercepting illegal activities in the area, during which a Maruti Swift Desire with registration number WB02AF3805 with tinted glass coming from Holland 5 village was asked by the commando team to stop for verification, but instead of cooperating, the occupants in the vehicle tried to drive away, following which the team commanders chased the vehicle. Upon interrogating the occupants of the vehicle, the driver and co-driver started attacking the commando personnel. The ASP also maintained that the move held the commando personnel captive inside a room of More Hospital, and then a crowd turned violent there and started attacking the personnel. 1 commando personnel was injured in the incident. ASP Basu informed that an FIR has been registered in connection with the incident and urged all people who were involved in the incident to surrender before the police. In Manipur, 1 cop has been placed under suspension for spreading rumor about coronavirus. Ahibam Ranjan Singh, a personnel of Imphal West District Police, has been suspended for spreading rumor about detection of 1 positive case of COVID-19 in Manipur. The order issued by Imphal West District Superintendent of Police K. Megachandra said the cop has been suspended for his grave misconduct. With the second death and more than 80 positive cases of COVID-19, India has launched a containment lockdown, with several states closing schools, colleges and theatres and cancelling public events. The country, which is in the second stage of transmission, recorded the second fatality in the national capital. Health officials confirmed that the Delhi resident who came in contact with her COVID-19 positive son died at RML Hospital last night. The Ministry of Home Affairs has notified COVID-19 as a disaster for providing assistance and the State Disaster Response Fund (SDRF), and ex gratia relief of Rs 4 lakh to kin of those who died of COVID-19 course of hospitalization for managing patients as fixed by state government will be provided. The World Health Organization (WHO) has now declared Europe is the epicenter of a corona pandemic with more reported cases and deaths than the rest of the world combined apart from China. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called a SAARC meeting urging them to chalk out a strong strategy to fight the new coronavirus. The Hill Leaders Day and Miyam Ginumit has been postponed until further notice. This move is part of the precautionary measures against COVID-19, according to a press release from the Chief Minister Secretariat, Manipur. In view of the coronavirus outbreak and to ensure reduction of mass gatherings and avoid spreading of COVID-19 in Manipur, the Department of Higher and Technical Education, Government of Manipur has issued an order that all classes shall remain suspended in all educational institutes of higher education, including universities, till March 31st, informed a press release. All Manipur Muslim Organizations Coordinating Committee Amukok today demanded inclusion of Meitei Pangal representatives in the newly set up Delimitation Commission. Talking to media person at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, Amukok Vice President cum spokesperson Muhammad Reis Ahmed said that the lower level of involvement by Meitei Pangal in politics is the key reason for socio-economic backwardness of his community. He also expressed happiness over titular king of Manipur, Leisem Basana Jauba, being nominated as BJP candidate from Manipur for the March 26 Rajya Sabha election.
Tigi Tokliba Todowa Toksing the witness Oidunadum Lakli, Masigumba Sarkargi, Governor Laurak Liba, Lesemba, Iningto Sanaza Obabu, Equigi, government seeking nomination Tauraga, Mahapo Candy. That was in a Rai Sabagi nomination to be Pagi the Maktamasigi Soikoina, Amukoki Maike Degi, on behalf of entire Ekoigi, Amukoki Maike Degi, Tagat Popongdokcheri, Loinana, Ekoi Ningtauna Soidana, Hairiba Mikalasi, Mai Paklaga, Ekoi Lakadoriba, Magi, Termadu, Adumak, Tongan Bekoi Lamdam Sigi, Development Gimatang, Dekoiga Pamin Naraga. Madu kari Tobeyage, Quaki Maike, the Gilamdam Sikrama, idea of Manipur Sikramaina, Hena Marik Chumba represent Tobea Bagi, Adumbagi, Maike, the Sanction Gadagi, Hibernation Basingo, Hakisari, Loinana, Ekoigi, Amukoki family, Amukoki, Maike, the Tasiana, Amuka Hanasu, Hiriba nomination, Sigi, Tasiana, Ekoigi, Tamoidagi, Ekoi Tagatpa, Apamba, Amadi Tagatpo Pongokcheri.
One person has been killed in a hit-and-run accident this morning near the gate of 2nd Manipur Rifles at Imphal West, Regalung. According to a police report, the fatal mishap happened when a speeding gypsy vehicle with registration number MN01W186 collided with a motorcycle. The man riding the bike was killed on the spot. The gypsy driver fled to the spot following the incident. Further details were awaited. And now let's have a short commercial break. Coming up, Irawat Foundation Manipur condemns business-oriented reverse dredging works. More after the break.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam lamjingbatomtv Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBA ni. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamrol gidama ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawbiyo.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kunthramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing at clinic mo ina lereklaba nauka gi Imphal Center ama hangjare TV ama phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabang ngam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al kodingmag wabi rogano nauka hearing at clinic ngasimak lengsim direktuna completely invisible water resistant ama rechargeable oida digital hearing aid hapiu tabang ngam gi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single power si tambio aikoi gi leifam di Nagamapal main road phawai sangmam lekai near community hall mobile number na 6000954159
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1 within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2 outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3 outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800102759 or 8794613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Welcome back. Irabot Foundation Manipur today expressed displeasure over what is said business-oriented river cleaning work in Imphal city. In connection with International Day for Rivers, the foundation held a press meet at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Foundation Secretary General K.H. Gopen said cleaning and improvement work for river in Imphal began under the initiative of Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren in 2019. He maintained that the Irabot Foundation Manipur has been monitoring the condition of all the rivers flowing through Imphal Valley since March 1 last. Gopen drew the attention of the Chief Minister over the matter.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯡꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯊꯛꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯁꯣꯛꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯖꯌꯟꯇ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯗ ꯆꯦꯟꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯝꯕꯨꯜ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯨꯞꯊꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯨꯕꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁꯤꯑꯦꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯈꯥ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
The Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Manipur State Branch extended immediate support and relief material to the fire victims of TNK village in Senapati district today. It may be mentioned that the house of 1D Loli was gutted down to ashes last night. Properties worth more than rupees 10 lakh were destroyed in the fire. However, there were no casualties. Dr. R.K. Imotomba, Member Secretary of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay Institute of Agricultural Science, Utlaw, today clarified to the media over a recent report about the institute. He said that Joint Farming Pisciculture Cooperative Society Limited established Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay Institute of Agricultural Sciences in 2016 and it was officially opened on August 7th in 2017 after getting no objection certificate from the Manipur government.
The KBK matakta longkhatlaga ka manga taruk sijenabada madu yai yadi haina haibado adugi matang do aina sengdokchabani kaigino haibakanda akogi mapuna akogi chairman na magi custody da laiba magi custodian oiba property du da akoina mathak longkhatcharaga sijenabani adusu akoi matam kharagini akogi own building ama awanglom da laijare mayam horen ai takchage.
On the other hand, Institute Chairman T.H. Chauba alleged that the Manipur government is responsible for downfall of the institute, which is temporarily affiliated to the Manipur University since 2017. He added, the institute has been set up to provide benefit to aspiring students of agriculture, horticulture, fisheries and other elite subjects. Chauber said that the institute has been following every necessary guideline laid down by the concerned government department.
Ngasi aroibada haijening se angang manghan bede khoina te gamen sini angang manghari de kanano aikhoi yamna darkar leiraba agro allied agriculture and allied subject sinda karigumamda miyeng changbidaba se simisalaga hangamamni agriculture mantri la hangamamni huji horticulture paisa thada doksaro somda hangaga angang singdo makha tamthaba yabara thambiradi nungai gadabni hango huji su mi thoro yam tamhandoni huji kanu tawriba intermediate ki school mayam linkhatnari se soida da paisa se angakpada changa tale angang sing se puthoraga PUC pass tawra matung da angang punamuk se nira saware karai se khadong no khangdre karai de chakadong no khangdrabani maramadana handak anouba thorakadoriba besi agree atei thorakadori mayam si MAC tamnanaba se khoida hange koi maduni khoina appellation lawraga tawri sisu.
Various civil society organizations today expressed discontentment and shock over the decision of titular King of Manipur, Leisemba Sanajauba, to contest the March 26 Rajya Sabha election as BJP candidate from Manipur. They felt the love of the titular king will ruin the traditional, moral, ritual and cultural values of the state. Talking to reporters today at the office of Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society, KIMAX, Palace Gate, Imphal KIMAX advisor Takhelam Parijat said that Leisemba Sanajauba's decision is very unfortunate and immature, adding that it will seriously hurt the royal legacy.
Ihosu taude political right ki ihosu amata taude iho amata leitraba khunai ni ado iho leitra ka anda leibak si am santi oire am ing sikne leire ga hai habse masi yam laibak thibani khoi gi iho tawdra khunai hebse asiba khunai ni ahing khunai di hingnana mi dang da struggle torokani ai khoi se khudong saba khara phangani haidana pa harauba adagi MP oira ka anda ai kairoi leikai ki khudong saba khara phangani mana MP ora khara kana ganian khanba adagi mi haisi akan bagi sakti lebegi manakta nangning bati naningba maduna masing yaman khidana aikhoi gi huziki ningthauna aikhoi gi MP orakpada hena khudong chagan gani khalakpa lairiba aikhoi gi lamdam sigi ihau ma isu mayam aikhoi gi oiri bipam sida ningthauna tawya ba thabak mayam manghalakpa aikhoi gi tungi lambi mami samjalakpa masigi awaba di yamta udana ngaki khudong chaba khara phangni hara khalakanda pang harawa mayam sia aidi masi haraubi ganu haidana angtang wakan khanda biona thamjage habsi mayamda warisi thamjage.
Meanwhile, United People's Front UPF and its constituent bodies also expressed unhappiness over the decision of titular King Leisemba Sanajauba to join politics. Talking to reporters today at UPF office in Kaisamthong, Imphal, UPF President Waripam II on behalf of 16 different groups demanded that Sanajauba surrender kingship if he really wants to enter politics.
Maki apamba, maki Indian ki political system asida sangge haiba taragasu ngasi di ining thongna maki ritual, maki traditional, maki culture and value singa che aikoi ngang na bo hona bada aikoi mix toba laibaki ritual ki oiba ningtho amagi khubamchu aduga Indian ki political system amaga ani tuna chatpe yabagi adumra ba phibam adudi aikoi na pamdaba duna ining thongna maki individual ki oiba maki marna ki oiba phirepta Indian political system asida chatkhiba taragasu ningtho oibagi adumla ba ngasi Manipur ki praja mayamna mongonda thamiba ningtho oibagi adumla ba honor amachung bebhar adudi ngasi ining thongna ngasi aiba numit asidagi aikoi Manipur ki ningtho adu ayak oidre haidana koi lauthok piramu haiba wapam chi macho UPF amasung UPF ki maikai degi koi thamjari.
Forest Range Officer of Kakching and Munal Meitei said that out of total land area of 22,327 square meter of Manipur, 70,418 square kilometer is forest cover, thus constituting 70% of the total land area. However, according to the Forest Survey of India Report 2017, out of 1,467 square kilometer reserve forest area, Manipur lost 449.02 square kilometer. He was conducted a house-to-house visit to forest areas in Kaching. He appealed to the residents to extend support to the effort to protect and conserve forest areas. Range Officer Munal Maitei, who led a team during the visit, further said that the state forest area is shrinking due to jhum cultivation, felling of trees, widespread poppy plantation and other activities. Indigenous Perspective today claimed that Loktak Inland Waterways project being taken up by Loktak Development Authority (LDA) is neither good for the people residing around the lake nor it's a plan to develop tourism in the region as promised earlier by the authority. Organization coordinator Ram Wangkhairakpam Ram told reporters today at his Chingmairong Maninglekai residence in Imphal that his project will affect the natural beauty of Loktak, which in turn will lead to tourist distraction. He urged LDA to give a second thought to the project.
Tourism yang lak tu is Loktak ni. Loktak is a lady ba floating houses natraga maduda nga phabagi mong na dagi phasaba. Adu mayam si motorboat lakta di indra motorboat ki lambi yan na gi taw matam da madugi all si masi clear taw ni na thugai ni na khoi na masi very clearly khoi gi vegetation mayam je lokthokani haibagi pandama project sida yaubani na yeng lak kade mayam je thugai gi taraga di kaino yeng do is have a question am ju lai tourism hai taraga so ana Hojiki Hariba lam mayam samjanaraga kanani haibadagi economic feasibility su yaudre tourism ki benefit su madugi by the whole kind of motorboat thousalaga motorboat na mayam da kanani tourism enhance ogni haibisu madu akhoi logically problematic oi nid madu akhoi aduni akhoi report se thamjaning base
26 Assam Rifles Thawal Battalion of Headquarters 9 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarters IGR South handed over a water storage tank for rain water harvesting to Rimpam village under Tangnopal district today under Assam Rifle Civic Action Program for the financial year 2019-2020. The program was held at Rimpam village wherein village chairman and locals were present. Conveying best wishes to the villagers, the company commander said that Assam Rifles is committed towards infrastructural development of remote villages. The village chairman and the villagers appreciated the project and lauded the efforts of Assam Rifles for the betterment of the village. And now let's have another short break. Coming up next, Benjamin Netanyahu requested Prime Minister Modi to allow exports of Max pharmaceuticals to Israel. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Senior for Senior Care Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paikatchaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahang ba form khara kaujari masida masagi sahi kunthra manga dagina yankhai manga fawgi manungda leiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani on job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabasu pijari masida saruk yabiningba miyoi singna satliba tha asigi tara fawgi manungda ahongai leirak near Jenims Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabiu.
Welcome back. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu requested Narendra Modi to approve and allow the export of Max and pharmaceutical raw materials to Israel during his telephonic conversation with his Indian counterpart this week, according to a media report. It is reported that Benjamin Netanyahu made a request after India decided to stop the export of these items to meet its own domestic requirements in view of the rapid spread of coronavirus. US President Donald Trump has declared a national emergency to help handle the growing outbreak of coronavirus. According to media reports, the move loosens regulations on the provision of healthcare and could speed up testing, the slow pace of which has been criticized widely. There are 1,701 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the US and 40 deaths. Several US states have taken measures to stem the infection rate, including banning large gathering, sports events, and closing school. The virus originated in China last December, but Europe is now the epicenter of the global pandemic. The head of the World Health Organization yesterday said as several European countries reported steep rises in infections and deaths. Italy has recorded its highest daily toll yet, 250 over the past 24 hours, taking the total to 1,266 with 17,660 infections in the country. And now let's move to the sports news. Youth Development Committee Yaripok Khoirong will organize the annual 4th state level YDC Trophy 2020 from the 17th of April next to Yaripok Khoirong Kangjebung. This was informed in a press release from the committee. The Boston Marathon, originally scheduled to be held on April 20, has been postponed until mid-September because of the coronavirus outbreak. According to the sources, the world's most prestigious marathon, which is now due to take place on September 14, 2020, generally draws more than 30,000 runners from all over the world, ranging from decorated professionals and Olympians to amateur runners. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. 24-hour Moribund hits life, indefinite Imphal Mori road underway. Manipur cops suspended for spreading rumors about coronavirus. And Delhi records its first death due to coronavirus, second casualty in India. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.